the fascinating world of recreational drones. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic that combines technology, leisure, and the English language. We're going to explore what recreational drones are all about. If you've ever seen these flying wonders and wondered how they fit into both English vocabulary and our daily lives, then you're in the right place. Let's get started and uncover the meaning and uses of recreational drones. First things first, let's break down the phrase, recreational drone. A drone, in the simplest terms, is a type of aircraft without a human pilot on board. Drones can be controlled remotely by a person or autonomously by onboard computers. The word, recreational, refers to activities done for enjoyment when one is not working. So, when we combine these terms, a recreational drone is an unmanned aircraft flown for the purpose of fun, hobby, or leisure activities rather than for commercial or professional reasons. Recreational drones come in various shapes and sizes, but they share some common features. Lightweight for easy handling, equipped with cameras for taking photos and videos from unique perspectives. Often battery-powered with limited flight times. Designed for ease of use, making them accessible to beginners. These drones are typically used in open spaces to avoid collisions and respect privacy. It's also important to note that many countries have specific regulations governing the use of drones, including where they can be flown and the necessary permissions. The popularity of recreational drones has soared for several reasons. Photography and videography. They allow enthusiasts to capture shots from angles that would otherwise be impossible. Racing. Drone racing has become a competitive sport where pilots navigate through courses at high speeds. Exploration. Drones can reach areas that are difficult or dangerous for humans to access, offering a new way to explore the world. Education and research. They provide a unique tool for learning and studying wildlife, geography, and more. We hope this exploration into the world of recreational drones has been enlightening. These amazing devices offer a blend of technology, creativity, and fun that captivates people of all ages around the globe. Whether you're interested in taking breathtaking aerial photos, participating in thrilling races, or simply enjoying a leisurely flight in the park, recreational drones open up a sky full of possibilities. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has added a new dimension to your English language learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting lessons. Fly high and see the world from a new perspective with your drone.